ever seen dew sparkling on the grass? What causes it? Why is it formed? For my 2011 science fair project, I chose the dew point. I did this because it interested me in what dew is and how it is formed. After reading an interesting book about the weather, I wondered, at what temperature is dew formed? So I decided to test my experiment, test this by placing 2 glasses of water, one with 10 ounces of tap water. I placed a thermometer in one of the glasses. Then I began adding ice cubes in the glass with the thermometer. The glass with no thermometer is my control. A control is a thing that proves that you must do the certain things to achieve what is going to happen. Then, as you can see here, my graph shows what happened. The blue line is the first time I did it. The green line is the second time I did it. The red dot is the dew point. All the temperatures here are in Fahrenheit. On my first trial, I began placing ice cubes in. Then, dew formed at 38 degrees. Down here, the number signal for the number of ice cubes. It took 6 ice cubes until dew formed. Dew began trickling down the glass at 30 degrees. It took 11 ice cubes. I decided to do this experiment again. This time, I realized dew is not always visible, so I had to feel the glass after each ice cube for dew. Then, although not visible, dew began forming at 43 degrees after 7 ice cubes. Dew trickled down the glass at 35 degrees. It took 11 ice cubes again. My control glass never formed dew. My hypothesis was that dew would be formed at any temperature under 60 degrees. It was correct, but I didn't think that the temperature had to go that low to form dew. I wonder if higher temperatures bring lower dew points. Do lower temperatures bring higher dew points? Is the dew point outside the same as inside my house? I'll have to do more experiments to find those answers. Does anyone have any questions?